Hi, today I will be making slime. No glue, no activator. Well, I don't need this, so let's just put that back on. I'll be right back. I've got the cornstarch. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my bowl. Stay. Alright, I'm back. Sorry if it's loud. You can do it in your volume down. We're almost out. That's fine. I mean, no, I have more. I have more upstairs. So it's fine. I'll just use some real quick. I don't know. You know what? This is my mom's shampoo. So I'll just put that back. You guys are going to come upstairs with me. Hopefully I don't see nothing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have more up here. Yep. This is the upstairs bathroom. Ugh, let me get it. This is a big amount, so. And yes, it's conditioner. How much? Can't even see in there. I'm just gonna take the whole bag out. All I know is I don't have much. Hopefully it works. It's everywhere. It's even on the floor, geez. Okay, let's stir. I'm scared. What if it don't work? I think it will because I saw this recipe before. Please tell me this is conditioner. Yes. And it has a smell, so I don't need to put any smell stuff in it. Do I need to add more? Please tell me I don't. Yep, I do. That is the whole thing. I wouldn't be able to make any more slime. I'll get some more. I'm pretty sure we're out. But I don't know. Okay, I'm back up. Let's mix. I don't know. Is it working? Like I added conditioner. Doesn't that say conditioner? You probably can't read it because like it's on the other side. That says conditioner. I mean, I've tried this before and it worked. This is like a different kind of soap that don't work. No. Wait, why is that actually feeling like it's like a really weird because it didn't really stick on me that much, but it is sticking. I mean, but you're not asking good. I don't think it's working. Okay. You guys, if I was you, I wouldn't use this conditioner. Don't use this conditioner. Unless I forgot it's not conditioner or something. I'm pretty sure it was conditioner, but don't try that conditioner. I don't think that don't work. But bye.